Hey everybody, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Akron County Library. Today I'm going to talk about what the grid lines are and how to view Excel spreadsheet in 3 different views. First of all, these lines we are seeing on the screen will not be printed unless you choose to print the grid line. And how do we do that? I'm going to show you what the grid lines will not show if you were to print at this moment. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click on the print, and you can tell there is no grid line around happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it back button. If I wanted to print this page with the grid line, I have to go to the page setup dialog box. I'm going to launch that from this little arrow. I have to go to the sheet tab, then I'm going to click on the grid line. I'm going to click on a print preview to show you. Now you can see the grid line with this page. Next thing I wanted to talk about is 3 different views that Excel allows you to view your data. By default, your data is always in the normal view. There are 3 little buttons at the bottom of your spreadsheet on the right side. The first one is a normal view, second one is page layout view, and the third one is page break view. Again, by default, you are always in the normal view. But if you want to see what the page layout view is all about, you can click on that. By doing so, your spreadsheet will look like as if it were coming out of the printer on the page, because you can see your left margin, narrow margin here, your right margin here. This is the end of your page on the right margin, and you can see the header area on the top. If you scroll down, you can see the footer area at the bottom. So remember, this page layout view is the best way for you to put when you wanted to put some header and the footer. Last but not least view is the page break view. I'm going to click on the last button. The minute you do that, you can see those blue lines around the data. And the dark lines are where the end of the page is. The dotted lines are where the page breaks are. Remember, we insert the page breaks from this menu in my previous clip. Here, you can change the page break from this view, page break view. So let's say I wanted to see my second page begins not from the row number 29 as it was implying here. I wanted to start from row number 20. If you wanted to do that, you simply point on that dotted line. The minute you point on that, you have the double-headed arrow. Hold down your left mouse button. You can drag it up and you can drop it between row number 19 and 20. By doing so, you will see your blue line that indicates your second page will begin from row number 20. Again, if you wanted to reset the page break, you can right-click on it. You can reset all page break. Now, if you wanted to insert a page break, you can also do it from the right-click command. So I'm going to pretend I wanted to have my second page begin from row number 11. So I'm going to select row number 11. I'm going to right-click. I can do insert page break. By doing so, there is a page between, new page comes right after row number 11. So page 1 is here, page 2 is going all the way down to the last page. So that is how you would reset the page break from the page break view. Like I was saying, it is the best to insert any header or footer from the page layout view. Again, this is the middle button from the 3 different views of your Excel spreadsheet. So I'm choosing a page layout view. Then you scroll down enough for you to see the header section. There are 3 sections in the header, left, middle, and the right section. You can click on individual of them. So let's see if I click on the left section. The minute I click on that, you got yourself header and footer tools bar with the design tab. In there are readily made available buttons, such as if I wanted to put the page number, I can click this page number right there. By doing so, I have my page number of this on the left margin of the page header. and I'm going to click on the center, and I say I wanted to have my current date. I'm going to click on the current date, and I'm going to click it away from that section to go to the right section of the page header, and I can say I want to do the current time. By doing so, I got myself current time. And if I click it away, that header and footer toolbars will go away because I am not in that section anymore, but I can see my left header, middle header, and right header. If I want to do so exactly the same thing or similar thing in the footer, I'm going to scroll down until I can see the footer section. I'm going to click in any of the footer. I'm going to click on the left side of the footer section. The minute I click that, I got myself header and footer tools. Make sure you click on that design tab so that you can see those commands again. Let's say I wanted to do the file name because you sometimes forget what is it called and where is it saved. So I'm going to simply click on the file name. I'm going to click it away. I can see my file name there. If I wanted to see where did I save it, remember, if I click on the file path, I can not only be able to see the path, but also the file name as well. So I'm going to click it away to see what does it look like. So it tells you where I saved the path as well as my file name. So it seems like my file name on the left side is not necessary anymore. So how do you delete that? You click it back on that. You simply click on the backspace button and delete that. Now you don't have to worry about what is going to what is it going to be shown on the left side. The one in the middle shows you the entire path where you saved it and what is it called. That is how you will put the header and footer section in the spreadsheet by using the page layout view. Again, this training is brought to you by the Akron Summit County Library by the Electronic Service Division. Thank you for watching.